Hello, welcome back to No GMO Kitchen, the Manc menu, where all the ingredients are from nature, not from a lab. Today I'm going to be doing one of Hanny's favourite dishes, Matar Paneer, which is a vegetarian Indian curry. Now it normally uses red tomatoes as its base, but Hanny prefers yellow tomatoes, and so that's what I've picked from the garden. If you don't got fresh, no problem, just use canned. I was recently in Blighty and everywhere I went they seemed to be offering Halloumi cheese. I had a taste and it seemed a bit similar to paneer in my opinion, so what I thought I'd do is use both cheeses and see if one comes out better.
First off, we make a cashew paste. Now if you want a full flavour or you can't be bothered with this step, use double cream. I usually do, but Hanny says I'm getting a bit of a belly. Add oil or ghee to the pan, and if you have it, a dash of mustard oil. Then 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds or powder, 1 teaspoon mustard seeds or powder, half a stick of cinnamon, 2 cloves, 2 cardamom pods, then 1 teaspoon of dry coriander, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, half a teaspoon of marjoram and 1 teaspoon of turmeric, then 1 teaspoon Kashmiri chili powder and then a teaspoon of garam masala. Stir everything together, smells absolutely metal. Next add the onions and sweat down. If you have it, add a teaspoon of tamarind and this will give it a real deep flavour. No matter if you don't got it. If you have curry leaves, use them. If you don't got them, just use bay leaves. Next, the stems from fresh coriander. After that, we add the tomatoes. Now I'm making a ton of sauce, but for 4 people you'll need about 400 grams of fresh or canned tomatoes. Okay, put a lid on, turn it to low and cook for about 30 to 40 minutes until the tomatoes start to break down and for them to absorb all them wonderful flavours. Take the lid off and stir again. After about another half hour, start to crush the tomatoes that haven't yet fully broke down. Now, if you like a rustic gravy, this is pretty much done. Or maybe you just want to run it through the blender. Me, I'm going to drain everything, so the cloves and the stems and the other pieces don't remain. There's no waste as we put everything back into the beds. In with the paste, but again, if you really want to have it large, use fresh cream. I usually only make this with paneer, but as this is a taste test, we're going to put in the halloumi also. I've cut one in square and the other in triangles. Whilst the ghee melts, we pepper the cheeses. But as it's halloumi, we don't want any extra salt on either of them. We then add the staple of most of my Asian dishes, ginger garlic paste, which there'll be a link for in the description. Brown the cheeses where you can and then set them aside. Add the fresh coriander to the sauce and then the matar bit, the frozen peas. Then in with the cheeses and enjoy. Which was that?
That was the halloumi.
Okay, try the paneer. Your fave, you always like paneer.
Yes, I do.
And what do you prefer?
I prefer the paneer
Why is that?
because the halloumi is a bit saltier.
Okay, well that makes sense because that's kind of the only difference really. But you'd pay for it in a restaurant?
Yes, I would. Absolutely.
Grazie.
Delicious.